Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mark an option or a question as required, meaning that your participants or the participants of your questionnaire or form will be required to answer that question and they cannot leave it out. So basically, I just want to mention to you, first of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website and start creating your form, and after that you should tap on this required button below the question box or this first section. So tap on it and then it will be marked as required, meaning that they won't be able to submit the questionnaire and their answers without answering these questions that are marked required. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.